Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper on your desktop or PC, or even if you're using iMac. So first, go ahead and search for your wallpaper. Go search in Google Chrome, whatever browser that you are using, okay? And then go to your files, then open your wallpaper or image that you choose, and then here you can see this three little dots on the upper part of your screen, and then choose set as, and then here you can either choose lock screen or background or app tile. So I'm just gonna choose a background, and then as you can see, my wallpaper is changed. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.